Hello everyone. Hello brothers and sisters. Thank you so much for having me here today. I would first like to give a special thanks to Burhan Ahmed for inviting me. The last time I was before you, I mentioned how beautiful your faces were and how touched I was to be before you again. I also mentioned how familiar I felt and how similar my situation was to you. My parents come from Chile, South America. And I too am a new American, and I too have had struggles. The last time I spoke with you, it was about an unfortunate situation, and that was the mental health and the treatment of people in Somalia that have mental illnesses, and how we all should come together and to unite so that we can help those still in Somalia while we have resources and opportunities here. So the last time I spoke, it was about unity. Today, I want to speak to you about education. Education is what we also know as knowledge. And for a lot of you, and for most of us, we mentioned that knowledge is power, right? But what I would like to say to you, that knowledge with action is power. Just having knowledge alone is not good enough. And when we go to these colleges, how many of you here have gone or are already attending Columbus State Community College? By a raise of hand. How many of you are at Ohio State University right now? How many of you are at Franklin University? We have Ohio Dominican University. See, this is wonderful, and I am proud of all of you that are attaining higher education, but it should not stop there. Most of us have tribal knowledge. And what that tribal knowledge means is that we have learned from our family members, from our neighbors, and from those who have taught others how to raise a family, how to raise a farm, plants, animals, how to create things, how to build things, and that is tribal knowledge. What's missing is writing that down. What's missing is documenting that. What's missing is recording that. And that's the only difference from us having tribal knowledge to us having college higher knowledge. All I'm saying right now is that I work through advanced language access that works with helping people in interpreting, translation, tutoring, and training. We train and we provide extra knowledge and education. I want to work with you, I want to support you and assist you in continuing getting that education to help your family members and everyone else. That's going to be the only way that we can continue on supporting our families, supporting our people, is through that education and knowledge, because no one can take that away from us. Not the economy, right? Not anybody else. We can keep that for ourselves and then pass it down. That's what it's all about, and that's why I'm here today, to support you, support your education. And if you would like to find me, I'm also on Facebook. That's advancedlanguageaccess.com. I would like to work with you, so please come visit me. Once again, I'm Barandi Young-Sharp, and I want to be working along with you in unity, fighting for education, and to support you. Thank you.
I think the list of the guests is, as far as I know, is done. Welcome back to the Somali part. I got no worry in Martin Guadamato.